Hello guys, it's Mama Teresa and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this video guys is a continuation of our travel from Cagayan de Oro to Dipolog to Dapitan. Right after we visited the Dipolog Boulevard, pupunta na kami to Dapitan. Now, Dipolog to Dapitan would take you 30 to 45 minutes. As you know, Dipolog and Dapitan is called the Twin City of the South. Kasi magkalapit lang sila. And also, parang they complement each other. Like, ang airport is located in Dipolog and then yung pier naman nila is nasa Dapitan. So, again guys, this was in December 24, 2023 and we wanted to celebrate Christmas in Dapitan. And syempre, bago tayo makarating ng Dapitan, mag-stroll muna tayo sa Dipolog City. So here in this video guys, I'll be showing you the streets of Dipolog City. Ha? Ay, oh, nagrally si Lenny Diri. Kusog si Lenny Diri man. Nagrally siya Diri. Ani silang mamaan was nakasapon kay na late out sila sa Usamis nga barge. City Central Dipolog. ang ilang City Central kay mall sa ato eskwelahan.
Sabi nagtuon pa diri sa nagnegosyo na.
Daos. Sipon o, nanggawas na. Manila hang? City Hall. City Hall? Malayo. Okay. Kanan siya ma? So kung tour guide ko ninyo, so kung makikita niyo dyan, yung statwa ng tatlong tao. Ano saan? Tingnan niyo yung statwa dyan, yan. Dyan sa rotonda, meron yung statwa na tatlong tao na parang binubuhat nila yung kalha. Nagre-represent kasi yan ng tatlong tatlo. Nagre-represent daw yan ng
Ito sa amin pa yun.
kanang tulo sila ka klase diri nga lumad ba.